Suppose you have a worksheet that calculates the discount to be offered. If the chocolate was sold more than $30,000, the discount to be offered is 8%. Otherwise, the discount to be offered is 5%. Without using a function, you would have to create two different formulas and make sure that you use the correct formula for each sales amount. This can be calculated very easily using a function called the if function. Let us see how. Select this cell and start with an equal sign. Type if and select the function using the tab key. Excel prompts us to enter the logical test, that is the condition. Our condition is that the content in cell B9 is greater than or equal to 30,000. So select cell B9. Now type in the greater than sign and the equal sign. Type in 30,000. Put in a comma. Now, Excel prompts us to enter the value if the condition is met. That is, if the condition is true. If sales is greater than or equal to 30,000, the discount to be offered is 8%. Hence, select this cell. Let's fix this cell as we are going to use the autofill function to fill in rest of the cells. Press the F4 key to make it fixed. Put in a comma again. Now, Excel prompts us to enter the value if the condition is not met, that is, if the condition is false. If this condition is not met, discount to be offered is 5%. So, let's select this cell and make it fixed by pressing the F4 key. Close parenthesis and press Ctrl and Enter. Let's autofill the rest of the cells using the fill handle. We can see that the discount offered is in the general form. As we want them to be displayed in percentage format, keeping all the cells selected, go to the number format drop-down menu and select percentages. Let us now check if the results obtained are accurate. The sales of dairy milk is way above $30,000, hence a discount of 8% is offered. While in case of the Hershey bar, the sales is below $30,000. Hence, a discount of 5% is offered. The if function can be used to give comments depending on a condition. Suppose I want to add a comment saying, good sales on chocolates having a discount of 8%, and a comment saying, improve sales on chocolates having a discount of 5%. I can do this using the if function. Select this cell and press the equal sign. Type in if and select it using the tab key. For logical tests, let's select the cell displaying the discount. Press equal sign and then select the cell displaying 8%. Make it absolute. Press the comma key. Now I have to input the comment to be displayed if the condition is true, that is, if the discount is 8%. Open inverted commas and type in good sales. Close inverted commas and then press comma. Now we have to enter a comment for the condition which is false. That is, chocolate having a discount of 5%. Open inverted commas and type in improve sales. Close inverted commas, close parenthesis and press Ctrl and Enter. Autofill the rest of the cells by moving the mouse pointer to fill handle and then double clicking. We can see that the comments for all the chocolates are entered by simply using a single formula. This indeed saved us a lot of time. This concludes our tutorial on the if function.